Hi there. So the issue that's happening is you pull up the link. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's not showing the YouTube link. It's not letting it connect. It says refuse to connect. Um, I've had this problem before, and there are probably the most obvious things that I can tell you to do is to click on the title or to click on this little thing here, and it will take you directly to YouTube. And this here is the video that you will see. And this should work for each of the assignments. If that does not work, then the best thing that I have found to do, because I did have a student that could not access it even though I could, is if you go into the video itself and you click on the share, you're able to click on embed and then copy this embed link. And once you do that, you would be able to go into the social studies class and add material in, all right, add a page, and then you can call it the same thing. What is colonization? And then come over here and click on this switch to HTML and then simply paste that embed code. And when you click create on that, it will automatically embed the YouTube video directly into the web page. From what I've been able to discover from talking to parents and students, this right here is a workaround that has enabled them to access videos, whereas the links have not.